Hey College Success, welcome to week 7 of our summer semester, which means we are done so soon, just right around the corner. So a couple quick housekeeping items, if you will. We are toward the end of the semester, which means in week 7, the Friday, Saturday, Sunday of this week 2 will reopen. So if anyone has any work from week 2, which covered chapters 2 and 3, you can see it's already scheduled to open the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, so that you can take advantage of any of that work that you need to make up. I also want to point out that week 8 is going to open up early as well, the same time period. The 21st, that Friday the 21st, week 8 will open in case you get week 7 done early and you just want to start trying to wrap up the week. Week 8 does end on the 28th, but I still want to make sure that you have plenty of time to get in there, get everything done, and make sure everything is ready to go. All right, so that being said, we're going to jump in. You can see week 7, there are no chapters associated with this. So it's kind of nice for that purpose. There's no discussion forum. It's an easier week compared to most of the other weeks in our semester. So I'm still going to break this up into 2 videos, the library assignment video and then the registration and the My Academic Plan assignment videos. So that way you're still kind of getting this shorter breakdown. So what you're first going to do for the library assignment is I'm going to encourage you in the materials folder to go ahead and get in here. You can see there's lots of links that are associated with the library. So I'm going to have you click on those and you can walk through all these little tabs, and there's a bunch of videos in here. They're really quick videos. Like if I were to, see 43 seconds. That's basically what a lot of these are, really quick. When you get to the research process page, this is where it's a little bit more detailed. There's a little bit more going on here because the research process is a little bit more involved. I'm not sure why those aren't loading, but there's lots of information in there. So I'm going to encourage you to click around. You can bring up the transcripts if you prefer to read them versus watch them. Go ahead and go to the digital library website, click around, find out more about what they do. There's contact information that you can get right here. So if you're not familiar with the digital library, please take your time, kind of click around, get familiar with it. Once you've spent some time getting familiar with the digital library, then go ahead and hop into the assignment folder, and you're going to click on library assignments. So you're going to click on this, and this is going to look like one of your week 1 assignments where it's going to pop up into its own window here. And you're going to go through and you're going to do a series
now that you've completed the lesson
of questions. So they're all going to be like multiple choice, true, false type questions. And you can keep your pages up running back here if you need to, so that they're really easily and accessible for you if you need to kind of click back. I'm going to point something out real quickly, that when you get to question 3, for whatever reason, I'm going to tell you now the answer is true, but it's marking it wrong. I don't know why. I can't fix it because the library is not my assignment. So all I can do is let the librarians know to get it fixed, but I don't know that they'll get it fixed before our week happens. So I'm just going to let you know right now that you can do one of 2 things. And I'm going to put this in my announcement so you can see, I already have it typed out. You can either mark true and I'll go back and I'll make the correction, or go ahead and choose false, even though it's actually true. That way you still get the question, quote unquote, correct according to Blackboard. So I'm going to put that in my announcements as well so that you know, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that I'm not sure why, but question number 3 is marking the correct answer incorrect. So the correct answer really is true, but for Blackboard grading purposes, if you want to click false, that's how you'll get those points. So I just wanted to let you know. All right, so you'll go through and it's going to have half the questions just about the digital library in general. The other half are going to be about the research process. So when you're done with that, make sure you hit submit on the very last slide. This is one of those assignments that is going to be automatically graded by Blackboard. So once you're done, just make sure that the gradebook has recorded your grade. And that is your first assignment. I will be back with a video for these 2 right here, but because there's no discussion forum for this week, just make sure that you get all of your assignments done by Sunday. That will count as your week 7 attendance. So if you miss 1 or 2 of the assignments, you're only going to get partial attendance. So keep that in mind. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be back soon with a follow-up video.